Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Identify whether the hotspot is 5G cellular or simply a 5 GHz Wi-Fi SSID, because a 4G phone cannot use 5G cellular radio. Once done, update Android and Wi-Fi firmware to ensure compatibility, then turn on Wi-Fi and location permissions. Make sure you have the correct SSID and password for the 5 GHz network. Next, scan networks and look specifically for the 5 GHz SSID name. It may include 5G or 5 GHz in the label. Once you see the 5 GHz SSID, long press and choose Forget if previously saved on 4 GHz. This forces a fresh connection. Then rescan and tap the 5 GHz network. In Wi-Fi advanced settings, prioritize higher band or disable auto switch to low band so your phone stays on 5 GHz. Enter the correct password and confirm the security type, WPA2 or WPA3. If the hotspot uses a captive portal, follow the on-screen login. After connection, verify signal strength and speed with a quick finish by checking the phone's IP address and gateway to ensure DHCP assigned correctly, then run a speed test to confirm faster throughput. If performance lags, toggle airplane mode to reset radios, or ask the hotspot owner to change the Wi-Fi channel to avoid interference. If you still cannot connect, reboot both devices and confirm firmware updates. As a last resort, use USB tethering or a different client device. One quick troubleshooting tip: forget the network, reboot, and rejoin. That resolves most handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.